How to get rid of My AI on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get rid of My AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you don't know what My AI is, basically I'll go and open the Snapchat application here, and then I'll just come to my profile page, or which is this chat page, and here you can see My AI from the very top. And this is a new update or feature from Snapchat that would help you to actually solve any type of issues you might have with Snapchat app itself. So to remove it is also very simple. All you have to do is long press the My AI option over here, and then over here you'll be able to find this option called chat settings. When you make sure to tap the chat settings, here you'll find this option known as clear from chat feed. Now you may not find this option because you will only find this option if you have Snapchat Plus or Snapchat Premium. So to get that, tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and here you can see Snapchat Plus. You can currently see that I'm a member of Snapchat Premium version, so if you also want to remove the My AI, you basically have to get the subscription. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.